I want to show you how to create an XML sitemap for your website, and this is going to help Google find all of your pages. So you go to your plugins menu and you type in Yoast, Y-O-A-S-T, and this is a plugin for SEO. You'll see it at the top here, WordPress SEO by Yoast. Install that, and you'll see it in your plugins menu. This not only creates a sitemap, but it does a number of other different things that we're going to talk about a little bit later. But what you can do is click on Settings. And if you go over to the left, you'll see you have a new option there under SEO. You can click on XML sitemaps, and then you make sure that box is checked. And then it will have scanned your website and created a sitemap for you. Actually, more than one sometimes. So you'll have a sitemap of the posts, the pages, the categories. And it'll tell you how many images are on each page, how often it's updated, and last modification. So now you have your sitemap, and you just have to tell Google about it. So what you do is you Google Webmaster Tools. And if you don't have an account already, you want to sign up for Google Webmaster Tools, and it's very easy. You just submit your website. Right, you write whatever your site is, and then click Add a Site. And the easiest way, I think, is to go up to Alternate Methods and click HTML tag. This is the easiest method for use with the Yoast plugin we downloaded. Copy all of it. So you go back to the plugin here, and you click on Dashboard, and you go down to where it says Google Webmaster Tools, and go ahead and paste that in there. And then we're going to delete all of the data outside of the quotation marks, including the quotation marks themselves. So get rid of that. Put it in the rubbish bin. And then click Save Changes. Now you're not done yet, because you got to go back to the Webmaster Tools and then click Verify. And they see that the thing you pasted is in your website. And so in your site dashboard, on the left side, you click on Sitemaps. And you want to click Add or Test a Sitemap. First thing you'd want to do is test it. You don't want to just add it. You want to make sure that everything's right. So you want to take the last part after the web address and then paste it into the field Google provides. Click Test Sitemap, and then you can view the test result. No errors were found, so that's good. Close the test, and then go back up to Add Test Sitemap, and you're going to do it for real this time. And then click Submit Sitemap. Sitemap submitted. Click refresh the page, and now you'll see you have your sitemap in there. And now Google can find all of the pages on your site. It doesn't have to rely on links from one page to another. So you have a much better chance of coming up in Google search results now. Finally, I just wanted to add in this last part. If you create a new page or a new post, the Yoast plugin should auto-detect it, meaning it should automatically add it to your sitemap, and Google should find it. But if you do a search, let's say a week after you put the post up, and you're still not seeing that article within the search results, and you want to have a better chance of Google finding it because maybe they just still haven't come across it with their search bot, you can go to google.com/webmasters/tools/submit-URL. I'll include this URL in the resources for you, and you just type in the URL of your new poster page, and then you type in the CAPTCHA and click Submit Request, and that's a pretty easy way of letting Google know about a new page on your site if it doesn't find it by itself.